friends, welcome to my channel Solving Techniques. So today in this video I'll show you and tell you how you can update your iPhone on iOS 15.4. So this is the beta version. This is the bug-free beta version. So you need to download and install, and this is very awesome iOS, and biggest and major bugs are fixed in there, and so many new features like new stickers, Face ID with mask, and much more things are coming. So you can unlock also your iPhone with the sunglasses if you are wearing sunglasses or wearing mask. Only iPhone 13 Pro Max, 13 and 12 Pro and Pro Max, these series are compatible for the Face ID with mask. So rather than that, iPhone X, XS Max 11 not supported this feature. So here we go, and let's start the video. So you can download, I highly recommend it to you. You can download this update and you can enjoy this update. So first you need to go to Safari. I give this link in the description below. Okay, after this you can click on iOS. So scroll down and you can see enroll your device. Click on enroll your device. So wait for the loading. So you can see I log in my Apple ID. So after this, go down and you can see download profile. Click on there. So you can see, click on allow, click on close and go back to the settings, and you can see profile downloaded, and click on install. I'll enter my passcode. So you can see, click on install, and you can see restart device. Click on restart. Wait for the restart. You can see my mobile is boot up. So wait for the home screen. So you can see my iPhone has been restarted. So go to settings and you can see go to general, click on software update and wait for the loading. And you can see iOS 15.4 beta. This iOS size is 6.17 GB. So you can go and grab this, and you want to download and install and enjoy all the new features and all the new notification bar and new widgets. Each and everything is new in iOS 15.4. So literally maybe 1 month are left for releasing iOS 15.4. This is a bug free iOS 15.4 update. So I highly recommend it to you. You can go and download this update. I also download this update. So you need to also download this update. So thanks for watching Solving Techniques. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe our channel, and thanks for support.